To share Canva link with others, this is the design I am working on and I want to share this design as a link. So if you go over to share here, there are various sharing link options there is. So you want to understand what kind of link and what kind of access you want to give to this person in your design. By the end of this video, you would understand what each sharing options mean and what they do and how to differentiate what to share and when to share it. So the first option you'll see here, it says share design. So if you look here, you'll see that there is access level, and if you just copy the link and share this, you will see that it's only you that can access it, and the person needs to now request for an access for you to now grant it, which I think is going back and forth. So to share this link properly, if I click on this only you can access, you see that I have the option to use anyone with the link can access this design. No sign-in is required. So now you want to give them the level of what they will do when they now have the access to this design. So there are three options of what they can do. They can also edit the design with you, which is what it defaulted to. They can comment or they can view, whichever one you choose to share. These are the options you are going to choose from. But just know that once you give them any of these options, they can actually come into the file here and make copies of this design. They have the option to make a copy of this design and have it as their own design in their own account. Now, to make sure you are sharing the link properly, you can choose what level of access you want to give them from here. If you want them to only comment, if you want them to only view, but you don't have any worries about them making the copies of the design, that is also fine. So these are the options for all these links you're going to share. So the next one is to share a public view link. If you click on public view link, you have the option to create a public view link. So you copy this link, they can just view the design. They cannot make copies of this design. They can only view it. And public view link allows you to see who is accessing your design. You can notify you when someone has accessed your design. And you can also create more than one public view link to track what source where somebody is viewing your design from. So now let's go back on the sharing options. Another way to share the link again is to create a template link. So for this one, if you create this template link and send them the link to this design, if I click on create and copy this link and send to them, when they click on that template link, they will make a copy of the design. So they cannot come into this design and edit it with me. They cannot comment or they cannot just view. They can only make copies that will sit in their design and they continue to edit it. It is called a template link. So they have their own copy they can edit and it becomes their own design. So these are all the sharing options you have in Canva. So depending on the purpose that you're looking at sharing your design, they all serve different purposes. So you can click on what link you want to share and share your design.